This is my bike check. My name's Austin. It's a 2010 DK Kvant. Start from the top. Get the Shadow Finger Banger grips. They're kind of shit. And then I got Shadow bar ends. Odyssey Slick cable. I broke my lever earlier on a half pipe, so I zip tied it. Stem is a DK Alpha. Down to the front rim, Alienation 440 double wall. It's the DK stock hub with stock spokes, and then tire is the Shadow Undertaker. Move down to the pegs, and it's the Shadow little ones in a mate highlighter blue. Stock forks and bars. Move back to the seat. It's the Shadow Slim seat, pivotal. Stock seat post, fly seat post clamp. Move down to the pedals. These are the Shadow Nostras in white. And then Haro sprocket, 25 tooth, Shadow interlock V2 half length. And then the back, got the Fly Kalahari tire, stock back rim, DK 9 tooth, the mate highlighter back peg 2, and then the frame is stock. And that's my bike check. How you doing?